guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a project in focus video of a condominium project here in Cagayan de Oro, Avida Towers. So this is a condo project by Ayala Land, and this is actually their second project because their first project was Centrio Towers, and that got sold out pretty quickly. And then after it got sold out, they launched their second project, this two-tower project here in Aspira, which is called Aspira Towers. So this is located along Ramon Chavez Street at the heart of Cagayan de Oro City. So it's near malls, it's near Centrio Mall, Gaisano, it's also near NMMC, which is a hospital. It's near Xavier University. So it's literally at the heart of Cagayan de Oro. And also, it's just within walking distance from their first tower, Centrio Towers. So when Centrio Towers launched 10 years ago, like that's a decade ago, their units were only selling at 81,000 per square meter. So for a studio unit at 22 square meters, that would cost about 1.8 million 10 years ago. So now, a studio unit in Aspira Towers costs 195,000 per square meter. So that's about 4.3 million for the same 22 square meter studio unit. So imagine the appreciation of the studio units for the project. So it has more than doubled. So you can see how strong the Ayala brand really is. And that's one of the main strengths for this developer. When people know that it's an Ayala project, they immediately trust the brand. They already believe in the project because of the strong branding, the brand recall. And of course, Ayala is one of the oldest developers in the Philippines. They have loads of projects already in the city. So, in the country. So currently, I am at the model unit of Aspira Towers. So they have a studio unit available, junior one bedroom, 2 bedroom, and they also have bi-level units, but those are already sold out. So I will be showing you the model units available. First, I'll show you the studio unit, and then we'll move on to the junior 1 bedroom, and then the 1 bedroom unit. And then later on, I'll also be showing you the turnover units in Aspira because the first tower has already been turned over, it's already finished, and the construction for the second tower is currently ongoing. So it's expected to be turned over in 2023. So let's go. Let's check out the studio model unit. Welcome to the studio model unit of Aspira Towers. So as you can see, being a studio unit, it doesn't have any partitions, but it's already a complete living space. You can make it so there's already a couch that can double as a bed, and then they have a 2-seater dining table over here. There's a kitchen over here, cabinets where you can store your clothes. So the purpose actually of the model unit is to see how you can dress up your unit, how you can live in this space. And then the toilet and bath is over here. Welcome to the 1-bedroom model unit. This unit is 39 square meters. It comes with kitchen, smaller table over here, and as you notice, the living space is a lot larger. There's also a bigger bedroom on this side and also your very own toilet and bath. Now let's go to the computation of the units. So as of today, October 26, 2021, there are studio units and 2-bedroom units available in Aspira Tower 1. And there are pre-selling units in Tower 2 still. They have studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom units. The bi-level units of both towers are already sold out. So I will be discussing the computation for these units. But bear in mind that price increase can happen at any time because the developers usually implement price increase in different stages during the completion of their project, during certain milestones. So I will be discussing the computation of the studio unit first. So for a studio unit of 22 square meters, total contract price is at 4.3. So 4.3 million. I'll be pulling up the computation on screen so you can follow as I explain to you. So 4.3 million, that's the total contract price. And then the down payment is 15% or equity. That's 15%. So the advantage here is that the unit is already ready for occupancy for Tower 1. So reservation fee is 20,000 pesos and they have a spot down payment which is 2.5% of the selling price. That's 80,290. And then for the remaining equity of 12.5%, you can divide that in 24 months. You can pay that off in 24 months. So that's at 26,000 for the first 12 months. And then on the next 12 months, that's 17,959 for the next 12 months. And then the balance of 3.6 can be financed by the bank. And then let's go to the 1-bedroom unit. So 1-bedroom unit, pre-selling price. So for a 1-bedroom unit, that's 35 square meters, total contract price is 5.9 million. So equity at 15% is at 818,000. So you can do spot down payment of 10% of the selling price. So that's an option as the buyer. And then the 5% balance can be paid stretched equity over a span of 42 months. So that's only 7,000 per month. So again, spot DP 10%, so that's about 573,000 spot down. The balance of 272,000 can be divided over a span of 42 months. So that's at 7,000 per month. And then the balance of 5 million can be financed by the bank. And then lastly, for a 2-bedroom unit, their total contract price is 12 million. So that's a 2-bedroom unit with a floor area of 63 square meters. So 12 million, 15% down payment. So 2.5% spot down. So they have different payment schemes depending on the tower. So for Tower 1, spot down is only 2.5, whereas for Tower 2, it's 10%. So it's also flexible. If you want to stretch the entire equity over 42 months, then you can just make a request. Okay, so back to the computation, 2.5% spot down is about 261,000. The balance of 12.5%, that's about 1.4 million, can be paid over a span of 24 months. So first 12 months, that's 75,000 per month, and the next 12 months, that's 50,000 per month. And then the balance of 10.2 million can be financed by the bank. And that's it for our computations. If you have more questions, because sometimes computations can be a bit tricky and it can have a lot of variations, especially if you want a certain type of payment scheme. So just contact me so I can clarify things for you. Welcome to the Junior 1-bedroom unit. So this unit is 25 square meters. And being a 1-bedroom junior unit, it's slightly larger than a studio unit, which is 22 square meters, but also smaller than a 1-bedroom, hence the name Junior 1-bedroom. So it has a partition over here made of light materials, which can be used as the bedroom. So the reason why the developer actually made this design, because their one bedroom unit is one of their fastest selling units, but also some clients find it to be too expensive. So that's why they decided to come up with a junior one bedroom so that you could get the privacy that you want, but at a price that's still very affordable. They actually have a promo now wherein the first 50 buyers who can reserve within the month of October 2021 will be receiving a special gift. But of course, promos change from time to time. So just contact me. My contact information is in the description box. Just contact me so that I will be able to update you as to what the current promo is today. So that ends our project in focus for today. If you have any questions, then just let me know and I will see you in my next video. Bye!